Hi guys. I'm back home. I went to church and breakfast this morning. You saw us at breakfast. But now I'm just like cleaning up my room a little bit, and then I'm gonna go tanning and go probably to the store called Fresh Time. It's like a Whole Foods type of deal. That's what we're gonna do. And then we're going to Texas Roadhouse tonight. Which if you literally watched yesterday's vlog, you heard me complain about Texas Roadhouse. Anyway, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'll keep you guys updated. But yeah, oh, I want to show you guys my computer. Hold on. I think it's so cute. Okay, this side is definitely better than this side because like I planned this side out better, and these stickers are just kind of like, I don't know. But I think it's cute. I don't think it's bad. I didn't want to cover the apple. I just feel like I need to put some things here and then maybe something there. I have another sticker. I just like, I would have to take this one off to like layer them because I'm like trying to like, I don't know. I woke up this morning for what I did. I'm like, oh, it's so cute. So we have New York. Love that city. Taylor Swift who says, "You're a cowboy like me." Favorite podcast, The Morning Toast. This is just fun. Kendall Jenner, One Tree Hill, Mizzou, Kardashians, Q, Mizzou, Kardashians, Hailey Bieber. I think it's cute. Okay. I don't know. And then clean up my room and then go do my things. So I will bring you guys along with me. Okay, so I went to Fresh Time and Aldi, as y'all saw, and now I'm just running to Target because I need to get a 2022 planner, and I've been meaning to do this since last week, and I was like, you know what, I'm passing Target, I just need to go, because like, it's like 15 minutes away from my town, and I'm like, it's kind of annoying if I were not to just get it, so I'm gonna do it. It's kind of inconvenient, so I have to run in here for one thing, but oh well. We'll see what they have, their selection. Let's do it. This is so cute because I'm going to be a tiger in the fall. I think I might get this notebook. I just feel like a notebook will be necessary for, I don't know, something. Okay, haul. 2 lettuces, butter, spaghetti squash. We're gonna make spaghetti squash this week. For a snack, I got celery, so I can have it with almond butter. Then I got this ground turkey for this recipe, the soup I'm making today. And then I got fresh chicken breast. This is all from Aldi's. And then I got baby spinach and arugula for salads and stuff. And then mixed peppers. And then from Fresh Times, I got these little cookie bites for a little dessert. This vanilla unsweetened almond milk yogurt. I saw this girl named Sane Violet. She's on YouTube. I follow her. She tried it, so I'm gonna try it. And then Nut Pods, Julia Haven and Rachel Rodkey always talk about them, so I want to try this as well. It's just French vanilla. Yes. And then from Target, I did end up getting this bigger planner and this little cute notebook. I got this bigger planner because I always get planners every year. And last year I got a small one, and it's like coming out of the binds, and I just need more space because I do a lot of my days. So I put this stuff away, eat, and then make my soup for like meal prepping, sort of, because I work Mondays and Wednesdays nights, and I'd like to have meals to take, so that's gonna be my meal of the week. Okay. All right, so I just made this soup. It's like stuffed, it's called stuffed bell pepper soup, but I don't know. I put ground turkey in it. Oh, I look bad. I put ground turkey in it, peppers, rice, tomato paste, tomato sauce, chicken broth, and vegetable broth. This is what it looks like. It might not look that appetizing, but it is really good. So I'm gonna eat this Monday and Wednesdays, and then tomorrow night, or I mean Tuesday night, we're gonna make spaghetti squash. And yeah, I'm just gonna get back into being conscious of what I put in my body and fueling it with whole, healthy food and not just junk, because I just am not feeling my best and I don't love the way that I feel. I left this on. So I'm gonna make a change, and you know, 2022 is coming, so like another just like new year, new me moment, like of just being healthier. And yeah, so I'm gonna go downstairs, plan out my week's meals, because it helps me to just write it down and like see it, so then I can check it off throughout the week, and it just like makes me feel better about myself, truthfully, when I like write down that I did stuff, you know. So I'm gonna go do that. But look at this purse I got yesterday. Isn't she so cute? I got it from Plato's Closet along with the jacket, but you've already seen the jacket. Okay.